Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosas, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen.
In today's video, we are making chocolate granola from scratch. This is a very simple chocolatey snack you can munch on or have as breakfast or a craving that you can enjoy at night. So stay tuned and let's get started. These are the tools and ingredients we are using for today's chocolate granola. So we have sweetened cocoa powder here, chocolate chunks. We also have some vegetable oil, our honey, and then our oats. So we'll be using our jar here and then the parchment paper which has been placed in our baking tray and our silicone spatula.
Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe.
Into our bowl containing our oats, we are going to add our cocoa powder, our honey, and the oil. Then we combine everything together until it's evenly mixed. Then we transfer it onto our baking sheet here. We press it down and spread at the same time. Then we bake at 160 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes at most. And this is how our chocolate granola looks like. We picked it out of the oven and left it to cool off.
Before we get into the next aspect, please my loves, have you subscribed to the channel yet? If you haven't, kindly do so now by clicking on the subscribe button. It's absolutely free. There is nothing being charged for just subscribing and joining this delicious and amazing team every single day on your screens. Please subscribe and I promise you are going to enjoy it.
We are going to break it into smaller chunks. Now we'll top it up with our chocolates. Mix. Then we transfer it into our jar here. We are going to cover it and then we'll set it aside. The chocolate granola that we made, we're going to label it with our plain tag here and our pen. Then we write on it. We are going to serve our chocolate granola. So I'll pick up our bowl and then we'll pick up our Greek yogurt, pour some into it. This is how it looks like. Now we are going to add in our chocolate granola. We are going to give it a taste. We are going to serve our chocolate granola in another way. This is it. We'll pick up our bowl and the rest of the others. We are going to start by working on the apple and the grapes. Into our water here, we are going to add a little bit of the white vinegar to wash the apple and the grapes. After washing it, we'll cut it. So we'll rinse it in it, place it onto the board, and then we'll do same for the grapes. We'll get rid of this water and then we'll replace it with another one to rinse everything off. We are going to cut the apple into cubes. We'll set this aside. Now we are going to start serving. Into our bowl here, we are going to add in the yogurt just a little bit. Now we'll add in our chocolate granola. That's about enough. Next we'll add in the grapes. Then we add in the apple. Now we'll add our milk to it. And this is how it looks like. So you can give it a try and you let me know how it was for you in the comment section. It tastes amazing, and the chocolate flavor in combination with the fruits, the milk and the yogurt, it's a very beautiful combination you need to try.
And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. Also, we post short videos from Sunday to Sunday, which is throughout the week, so you can check that out as well. Share our videos with your friends and family on our behalf. Subscribe to the channel, do all the good stuff for us, follow us on all our socials. So we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.